finally planning that South Africa trip, maybe for business or vacation, or maybe you just want to see what Zulu vibes are about. But wait, before you pack your sunscreen, have you sorted your visa? Do you know which airline flight directs and what exactly you should do when you land? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This is the ultimate South Africa travel guide for Nigerians and fellow Africa travelers. Let's get started. First things first. Yes, Nigerians need a visa to enter South Africa. No visa through entry yet, but don't stress. This process is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Determine your visa type. Are you visiting for tourism, business, study, medical? Make sure you apply for the right visa category. Tourist visa are most common, valid up to 90 days. Step 2. Book appointments online. Head to the official website www.vfsglobal.com/South Africa/Nigeria. Create an account, fill the form, upload documents, and book your appointment. Walk-in not allowed. Plan ahead, slots fill fast. Step 3. Required documents. Here is your checklist. Valid Nigerian passports, minimum 6 months validity, plus 2 blank pages. Completed online form. You can download the online application form from the VSF Global website, or better still, when you get to the office, you can make use of their business center to download the form and print it out, then fill there. Then you need 2 recent passport photos, white background, proof of accommodation, hotel booking or invitation letter, flight itinerary, return tickets, bank statements, last 3 to 6 months, must show you can fund the trip. Preferably for myself, I think I used you need to have a consistent balance of nothing less than 2 million naira in your available balance for the past 3 months before applying. That's the tip. Then you need your yellow fever vaccination certificate. You can get your yellow fever vaccination certificate here at the international airport, Muritala International Airport, Lagos. Before you enter the airport, at the airport toll gate, at your left hand side, that is where the yellow fever office is. You are looking straight at the airport toll gate, then by the left hand side you see the yellow fever card office. It's a day thing. You walk in there and you apply, then you get it same day once it's available. The second office is at Apapa, still in Lagos. So you can either get it at Ikeja or at Apapa, everything in Lagos. So, and the next is your cover letter explaining purpose of visit. This cover letter, you can make use of their business center to get the cover letter written out. That was what I did. Then visa fee receipt, currently 19,500 as at this year, subject to change actually, so you can confirm when you get there. After submitting all required documents, the processing time and tracking. You can track your visa processing online after you've submitted with the registration number, and the processing time differs. For my first application, the processing time takes over a month for me to get results, to get feedback, and it was denied. So the second processing time takes less than 2 weeks. So I can't really tell you the exact processing time. I think it's subject to some changes. So the pro tips: apply at least 6 weeks before travel. Double check all documents. Avoid agents unless verified. Too many scams out there, and never submit fake bank statements. Instant rejection. Now let's talk about flights. As a Nigerian, you've got 2 options: direct and connecting. Direct flights, Lagos or Abuja to Cape Town. You have South Africa Airways, Eric Air, and sometimes Rwanda Air offers direct routes. Then for connecting flights, we have airlines like Ethiopia Airlines, Nairobi, Doha, then Dubai. For myself, I flew to Ethiopia Airlines and it was a very wonderful experience. We had a layover at Addis Ababa, checked free complimentary hotel with free dinner and breakfast before heading to South Africa the following morning. So Ethiopia Airlines, Kenya Airways, Qatar Airways, Emirates, great services, offer cheaper layover tips. You can use these booking apps. Use Sky Scanner, Google Flights, or travelstats.ng. Set price alerts. Book on weekdays. I booked during weekdays. I think it was during weekdays, and my travel was during weekdays as well, because weekdays are usually cheaper. And also endeavor to clear your browser cookies before searching. Prices jump if they think you are desperate, so take note of that. Baggage allowance. Economic class usually offers 23 kg check-in bags and 7 kg carry-on bags, which is also known as cabin. Confirm with your airline, proceed, wear your heaviest shoes and jacket on board to save space. And at the airport, get there 3 hours early, have printed copies of visa, hotel booking, return ticket, and yellow card. Immigration office may ask, why South Africa? How long are you staying? Where will you stay? Answer clearly and smile. And that's it. Welcome to South Africa, where every corner tells a story. Here is what you cannot miss. What to do in South Africa? Go on safari in Kruger National Park. Book a 2 to 3 day guided tour. Spot the big 5 lion, leopard, rhino, buffalo, elephant. Early morning drives are magical. Budget option: stay outside the park and drive in daily. Number 2, what you can do in Cape Town is to visit the Table Mountain. I did this personally and it was beautiful. Take the cable car to hike up if you are fit, and you can get to view the whole of the Cape Town from the top. That's what they do in Table Mountain. Then number 3, you can decide to visit the Borders Beach pigeons. Yes, African pigeons walk among them on woody boardwalks. Entrance fee apply. Cute alerts, baby pigeons in summer. November to February. Those are the time you can get to see those pigeons. Then another thing you can do in Cape Town is to visit the winery at Frank Shore. I didn't get to do this because of time. So you can you can go for wine tasting. They call it winery. So Nigerian palate loves bold flavor. Try Pinotage. I did try some couple of wines, the red wine and the white wine. I tried it and it was really nice. Yep. Another thing you can do is to visit Johannesburg culture and history. So if you are a fan of culture history, then Johannesburg is your go-to option in South Africa. Also, you can eat the beaches, either in Durban or Cape Town. Durban Golden Meal is lively, warm India Ocean water. Camp Bay in city is chic. So you can try that out as well. And also, you can experience local culture. Catch a live jazz night and visit a Zulu village near Durban. Buy crafts at Rosebank Market and learn a few Zulu words. And that's it. Also, you can get to do the shopping and bargaining. You can do this in VA Waterfront. I did this. So in VA Waterfront, this is where we have luxury brands where you can buy, you can just do some shopping, boat cruise, visit the Robben Island where Nelson Mandela was in prison for 19 years, and you get to explore the whole of the VA waterfront. It's a very big place and very interesting, beautiful place as well. Yeah, safety tips. Do not flash expensive phones or jewelry. Use Uber or Bolt. Avoid unmarked taxi. Don't walk alone at night. Keep copies of your passport and visa. Emergency number 10111. That's the emergency number. So you can keep these safety tips, hold it to hand, and have fun while in South Africa. Now to the next point. Calling all Ghanaians, Kenyans, Tanzanians, Zimbabweans, Ugandans, this session is for you. Visa requirement varies based on your country. Kenya, Botswana, and Mauritius, visa free for short stay. Ghana, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, e-visa available online. Apply at 7 days before travel. Cameroon, DRC, Angola, similar process to Nigeria. Check VFS global site for your country. Now for the currency and payment, South Africa rands. Use card widely accepted. They spend rands. That's the currency. And you can use your card. It's widely accepted. Withdraw cash from ABSA. You can also change dollars or your currency to rands at the VA waterfront. They have reliable exchange vendors, like verified vendors. Then for connectivity, buy a local SIM at the airport. Vodacom or MTN. Data bundles are cheap. WhatsApp works everywhere. I didn't get a local line. Now let's check out the food and dietary needs. If you love spicy food, then try the peri peri chicken. I personally tried the yum yum chicken. I think the flavor, I'm not so cool with the flavor. I tried it at a restaurant down my hotel. I mentioned the name of the hotel, Double Tree Hilltop, yeah, in Cape Town. So for packing and extensions, layers morning cold, afternoon hot, sunscreen SPF 50 plus, power adapter, type N 3 rounds, just for you to know what to pack. Now guys, I believe I've done justice to the whole of this South Africa trip. South Africa isn't just a destination, it's an experience. From the roar of the lion to the rhyme of the township, it will change you. If you've got visa info, you know the flights, you are ready for the adventure. So what are you waiting for? Start saving, start planning. Your African sister is waiting. Guys, if this video resonates with you, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you'll be visiting Cape Town, South Africa soonest. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now. Catch ya. Bye bye.